is this premier ICT event that has brought the world to Bangalore year after year. 2011 is a tribute to the spirit of innovation.
The Rural IT Quiz has had a successful run in Karnataka for over the past 10 years. Since last year, this program has become a national event. This year, the program was conducted across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Jharkhand besides Karnataka. The response has been phenomenal. In fact, we had 25 districts participating in Gujarat, 15 districts from Maharashtra, and an equally good response from other states. We believe that this program will gather momentum in all these states in the years ahead. Through the medium of an IT quiz, the objective of this program is to foster inclusive growth, giving students in smaller towns across the nation an opportunity to compete and excel, teaching them the value of teamwork, encouraging their quest for knowledge, and at the same time helping them realize their potential. Here today at the national finals, we have an impressive lineup of teams from the length and breadth of the country. We wish all the students the very best and may the best team win the national finals here today.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting before you Quizmaster Par Excellence, Big Brain.
ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ರಸಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. My dear young friends from Bangalore, it's indeed a pleasure and a privilege to welcome each and every one of you here to the national final of the Rural IT Quiz 2011. It's been a long journey since we started this as an experiment a decade ago, and it's been a phenomenal one at that. It's perhaps been one of the best partnerships that one could showcase in this country between the industry and government, TCS and the Department of IT, Government of Karnataka, coming together to create a platform to improve the awareness levels of students in schools, not in the normal big metros of the country, but in small towns and villages of this nation. For a lot of you who are here with us today, as part of the audience, you probably enjoy an environment, you probably enjoy the privileges and facilities of being urban audiences. The teams that are going to participate here don't necessarily enjoy that privilege that we have. But you will be surprised, perhaps stumped, to see the kind of knowledge that they will display here today, despite some of the disadvantages that they don't get, which we do. It is truly fantastic to see kids from small towns. Sometimes in this country, knowledge is not as much a barrier as language is. The entire Karnataka round of the quiz is conducted exclusively in Kannada. All the other city quizzes are conducted in Hindi. So the level at which they come from, the regional levels are conducted in the local languages. And as we move to the national final stage, well, they're certainly competent to take part and language starts becoming a smaller barrier. Here today, it is going to be my pleasure and privilege to present before you 6 fantastic teams from across the length and breadth of this country. It's going to be a privilege for us to watch these youngsters, and I think it's our duty to really appreciate them for reaching this stage in their lives. It's a huge moment in their lives. They're all students in school between 8th standard and 11th and 12th standard. Perhaps they haven't been on a greater platform and a greater stage than this. So it is my sincere request to all of you in the audience. Some of you might be from colleges and so on. So the answers to a school quiz can probably be a little simple for you. But please respect the fact that these are national finalists here today who have won their respective state championships. From now, 6 teams in the final of the Rural IT Quiz 2011. It is indeed my pleasure and privilege, before we move on, and here we go, to quickly take a look at what's at stake. Now, for all of you here in the audience, TCS has a line of prizes lined up for you: caps, water sippers and haversack bags as prizes if you answer questions that the teams don't. Moving on, we've got prizes here today for all our finalists. They take back home here a haversack bag each, a cell phone each, an iPod each, and an educational cash scholarship of rupees 10,000 from Tata Consultancy Services to each team for winning their respective state rounds. The big prizes, of course, for the big teams here today. The second runner-up here today, the team that finishes 3rd in this country, is going to win themselves a cash scholarship of 20,000. The team that finishes runner-up here today will win themselves a cash scholarship of 40,000. And the champion of the 2011 edition will win themselves a TCS Educational Scholarship of 75,000 rupees. And of course, along with that are those 3 wonderful trophies which await these teams. I've always believed, sometimes in life, it's not about the money that you win. It's the joy of standing in front of 1,000 people with a trophy and saying, I am the best this afternoon. I don't think anything can really replace that moment. Someone's going to experience that here today. From here, we're going to move straight into the final of this quiz. It's my pleasure and privilege, in random order. Their seating arrangement has nothing to do with their performance in these cities, because each question at each of these locations is completely different. So it doesn't really matter what they scored to qualify or win their state finals. What is important is you're witnessing 12 finalists from over 13 lakh contestants in this country. That is huge. That is truly huge. We all know how difficult it is to finish in the top 10 of a class of 40 students. Imagine a classroom of 1.3 million students. That is true India for you. For the moment, ladies and gentlemen, as team number 1 at the national final of this quiz, please put your hands together as they join us on stage. Abhishek and Palash, the Atomic Energy Central School from Indore, will walk up as team number 1. Neighboring Indore as our second finalist here today, please put your hands together as they join us on stage. Yash and Aman from LBS Public School, Jaipur. So from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan, as we move across to Jharkhand, as our third finalist, Abhishek and Dhaval, GAV Public School, Ranchi, will walk up as finalist 3. On my left is our fourth finalist here today from Gujarat. Put your hands together as they join us on stage. Ankit Kumar, Samir Singh, Sant Kabir, Vadodara. From Maharashtra in the final here today, Akshat and Rajoshri from Central Point, Nagpur will join us as team number 5. Completing our lineup here today as the Karnataka champions just a couple of days ago. Joining us on stage, Swapnil and Supreet, Rashtrathana, Dharwad. Completing our lineup here today as the Karnataka champions just a couple of days ago. Joining us on stage, Swapnil and Supreet, Rashtrathana, Dharwad. And from here, we're going to be starting with the shoot of this final. 6 teams in our final here today. Ladies and gentlemen, even before we progress, remember, these are all champions in their own right. They've fought hard, they've won their respective state finals. It's a big moment as the national final of this quiz. Put your hands together for all these teams on stage. One of the things along the sidelines of this huge event every year has been the Rural IT Quiz. What started as an initiative in Karnataka has today become a national movement and a national initiative. This quiz has been traveling for the last 3 months across the length and breadth of this country. Over 1.3 million contestants. You're going to watch the national final. From here, it's 5 rounds of quizzing between these 6 champions. It's time to pick action on the first frontier of this battle. It's time for Global Bites. Here we go. We'll begin and play a quick little crossword puzzle with our teams on stage. We will go clockwise, starting with Indore and move across to Dharwad from Karnataka. Now, 10 points, the value of a correct answer, irrespective of whether it's a direct or a pass. Okay? Now, you can choose whatever you want on this grid. Your best screen views are the front 2 LCD screens that are kept there. This could be a little lighter because there are lights for you because we're shooting this quiz. 10 the value of an answer, you can choose whatever number you want. However, if you choose 7 or if you choose 3, you know at least 1 letter in the answer. To use it or not is your decision. Go ahead. Take your pick.
7 down.
7 down is your choice. Your clue on 7 down. 8th most common element in the world. 14, the atomic number.
Silicon.
Clever. Put your hands together for them. 14, the atomic number, silicon, is so important from an IT perspective. They'll score the first 10 points is Indore. Moving across to Rajasthan, Jaipur. Take your pick.
10 across.
10 across, ending with a O is your choice. On 10 across. This was started in 1946 by a person named Tadao. T-A-D-A-O. They specialized in fabrication technology and they created the world's first entirely electric compact version of a product that in many ways was the precursor to the computer. Which company is this?
Cisco.
Ends with a O but not correct. Passing you. TAV from Ranchi, April 1946. Tadao, an engineer specializing in fabrication technology, created the world's first entirely electric compact version of something that is many agree to have been the predecessor of computing. You want to try? 5 seconds. You want to pass? Passing you across on my left, Sant Kabir from Vadodara, choosing to pass that. Center point from Nagpur. Not trying. Across to Karnataka, Dharwad.
Tadao Casio.
Tadao Casio. Started a company called Casio, Karnataka, 10 points. Put your hands together. Tadao Kashiho started Casio. Well, I told you, sometimes these kids can stump you from the kind of background they come from. And I just want to make a statement before we move to the next question. When we say rural IT quiz, the boundaries are so clearly defined. Schools within corporation limits are not allowed to take part. So it's clearly schools which are in clearly earmarked rural areas of this country. So amazing. Question number 3 to you guys. DAV from Ranchi. Take your choice. What do you want to play?
3 down.
3 down with a T in between. 3 down to you. It was an approach to create dynamic, adaptive, total area coverage. How do we know this in the world today? What was named for the creation of dynamic, adaptive, total area coverage? The history of something. 5 seconds of time. Something was created with the requirement of a dynamic, adaptive requirement for total area coverage. Passing you can I. The pressure is just beginning to tell here on stage. Moving across to Vadodara.
Adaptec.
Adaptec. Passing you on Adaptec.
DATAC.
Sorry?
DATAC.
DAT?
AC.
What is DATAC?
The short form of the word.
Passing you to Dharwad.
Dynatec from Motorola.
Sorry?
Dynatec from Motorola.
What is Dynatec from
The first mobile phone created.
The first mobile phone was created because there was a requirement for dynamic, adaptive, total area coverage. Lovely quizzing. Lovely quizzing! The creation of the world's first cell phone from Motorola happened because you required a dynamic, adaptive, total area coverage technology. The name of the world's first phone was Dynatac. Put your hands together. Karnataka are looking good. Team number 4 on my left will take their pick, and it's Sant Kabir from Vadodara.
1 down.
1 down is what they want to play. It's empty, and you want to play for it. Okay, your clue. Ted Nelson created this.
Hypertext.
Superb quizzing. Put your hands together. Not as easy as you think, but that is preparation. Hypertext. Superb 10 points. Going across to Nagpur from Maharashtra.
8 across.
Starting with nothing but a C and a L. So, teams, please note the 8 across starts from the letter or the box before the L. Okay? That's why the mouse is jumping around, and 8 across. I am a formal set of rules. I describe how to transmit or exchange data on a network. Into your mic, please. We'll need your audio.
Protocol.
The definition of protocol. Put your hands together. Oh, well answered. Protocol is a set of formal rules to describe how to transmit or exchange data on a network. Final option, take your pick, is Karnataka.
2 down.
2 down with a O somewhere in between. 2 down to you. Limited, unlimited was their original name, or they thought about it as a name. Passing you. Moving across to from Rashtrathana Dharwad to Atomic Energy Central Indore. Which company thought of an original name as limited, unlimited? Passing you to Jaipur.
Microsoft.
Superb quizzing. Put your hands together. Microsoft originally thought of calling themselves limited, unlimited, And then they decided to call themselves Microsoft eventually. Fantastic. Very, very good quizzing by the teams here. From here, we're going to go to the second round and take a look at the scores at the end of round 2 of this quiz. For the moment, round 2 of our final, it's time for Visual Bites. This round is a dedication to the theme of BangaloreIT.biz, innovation. Anti-clockwise, 10 points if you get it right. We pass from Karnataka right across to Madhya Pradesh. Beginning with you, here's the first one. This is a snapshot of a person named Javed Karim. He decided to do something and that created a revolution in this world. What simple innovation triggered a global revolution? He was also one of the co-founders of this revolution. The world of internet completely changed after Javed Karim did something. What happened? Dharwad, passing you, going across to Nagpur.
YouTube. He was a co-founder of YouTube with Chad Harley and Steve Chen.
Steve Chen, Chad Harley,
Yeah.
and Javed Karim.
And the name of the video is Me at the Zoo.
The name of the video is Me at the Zoo.
The first video.
It was the first ever video that was put on the internet. And ever since the internet became full of videos, put your hands together. It is such a humbling feeling when you see these kids crack questions like this, effortlessly sometimes. Amazing. Here's the next one. Question to you, Jaipur. On your screen, what innovation in the world was this? Technology is not only about computers and programming. Technology plays a role in every sphere of life. What innovation was this? Go ahead.
Timer.
Sorry?
Timer.
Timer was introduced. Passing you.
Blue Gene.
Blue Gene. Explain.
Kasparov playing against Blue Gene. Blue Gene was a computer who could play chess.
Oh, human beings stopped playing with human beings and started playing with computers.
Yes.
And here's who's that?
Kasparov.
Gary Kasparov.
Yes.
World champion playing.
Yes.
Okay, Blue Gene was the technology they worked on. Deep Blue became the name of the computer. Superb quizzing. Put our hands together. The way the world would play chess changed completely. Suddenly, man started competing with machine to see how he would play in the game of supremacy between something that can be flawless and a human mind which can let go. Question direct to you. Vadodara are beginning to look good here. These could be nervous moments. This is a specific technology. What is it called? Current affairs in many ways. This quiz landscapes from history to perhaps what happened yesterday. Now, I'm not saying this happened yesterday, but it's current affairs. You just got to tell me what this is. What is it called? It's so important today in the world of mobile phones and gadgets that we have. Passing you, can I, Vadodara, you want to try? No negative marks. Passing you. On my right, Ranchi.
QR code.
It's a QR code. What happens? What's a QR code?
You get to store a lot of the things in that small code, and you can just scan it through your smartphone and you get entire thing transferred to your phone.
And what does QR stand for in case?
Forgot.
You forgot.
Yes.
That's a clever one. Okay, that's a nice way of saying I don't know. I forgot. That's a quizzer for you. Quick response code. Put your hands together. Lovely. Lovely quizzing. Jharkhand will get 10. And here is your direct question, Jharkhand. Who is this man of innovation?
Steve Wozniak.
Steve Wozniak.
Steve Wozniak.
Who's that?
Co-founders of Apple with Steve Jobs.
The whole world knows Steve Jobs. Here's the other man who was a quiet partner, Steve Wozniak. Put your hands together. Lovely! As young kids from Jharkhand, that's a cracker of an answer. Here's the next one. Question to you. What technological innovation did these people provide? Think and answer. It's something we all experience in life. Yes.
Eagle eye.
Passing you on an eagle eye.
Hawkeye.
What is hawk eye?
It's the virtual tracker of the ball in cricket and tennis. It's used to predict in cricket LBW decisions whether the ball was going to hit the stumps or not, or in tennis to see whether the ball was in or out.
Technological innovations that change the way sport will be played. Put your hands together. Lovely, lovely quizzing. Hawk eye. Very good quizzing. It's a nice logo for hawk eye. I mean, you can almost work it out. Question to you. This was way ahead of its time when it was launched. What's this?
Pac-Man.
Huh?
It's a game, Pac-Man.
And what are the clues on your screen?
So the names Blinky, Pinky, Inky and Clyde.
Oh, those crawly things which keep coming.
So,
they call Blinky, Pinky, Inky, Clyde.
They come to eat, means if they touch you, you die, and if you eat that big white balls, then you get to eat them.
No, I don't want to eat any of them. Put your hands together. Brilliant quizzing. How many of us here have played Pac-Man? Okay, wrong question. Everybody's played. But how many of us knew their names were Blinky, Pinky, Inky, Clyde? At the time it was created, it was an absolute innovation and a marvel. Gaming changed in many ways. Lovely quizzing. 10 points on my right to Atomic Energy Central School from Indore. This quiz is becoming a tight battle here today. From here, the pace will change, the pressure equation will change. We'll take a look at why I make that statement. Here we go. Our first look here today at the national final of this quiz at the Rural IT Quotient. Atomic Energy Central School from Indore, backed by Pac-Man, are leading this quiz with 30. 4 teams behind them on 20. LBS Public School, Jaipur, I'm sure will move ahead when the buzzers get going. They're on 10 on table number 2. But they cracked a tough one on Microsoft to get to that 10-pointer. So nothing really that one can make out here today on these scorecards. Very, very early days at the national final of this quiz. At this point in time, we move to the next frontier of the battle. It's time for Rapid Bites. Here we go. On Rapid Bites, we've got 5 questions common to the 6 teams on stage. The rules of the game are simple. It's on the buzzer, and you press the buzzer and indicate that you know the answer or you don't know an answer. Plus 10 if you get it right, minus 5 if you get it wrong. If you press the buzzer while I am reading a question, you are indicating you know the answer. So I will stop reading the question the moment you press that buzzer. Clear on the rules? So you can't press the buzzer and then say, now continue reading the question. Yeah? It won't happen like that in life. Teams, would you want to test your buzzers now, though you've been champions in your states? You know that it is an interconnected buzzer, so your buzzers will not work when someone has pressed the buzzer. It's a professional quiz buzzer. Only the team that presses the buzzer first will get recognized. So please be sure you are the team that is due to answer. Because sometimes when you press, you tend to think you are the first to press. If you give me the right answer, when it is not your turn to answer, you will get a negative, and the team who has the right to answer will get to answer. So it could be a double negative in that sense. Play carefully. Okay, just watch for the light, only then will you answer. If you're ready, question number 1, all teams on the buzzer. What is the term that is given to describe software applications that run automated tasks over the internet? Cat, they're going for it without options, yes? Into your mic.
Bots?
Superb. Plus 10. They didn't even wait for the options to come. 10 to them. And that's a cracker from them which will bring them back into the forefront here today. The buzzers, plus 10, minus 5. You may get options, you may not get options. Yeah? All right. Question number 2. This company, founded in New Delhi in 1983, is today moving in a big way into solar technology. The company, though, is well known in India as a market leader for optical media storage devices. They revolutionized and innovated by creating movies at extremely... They've gone for it, is Dharwad. Moser Bayer. Lovely quizzing. Put your hands together on Moser Bayer. Karnataka will get 10. Every question being cracked, but they're playing the game well. Question number 3. What is the maximum number of characters that you can post in one tweet? They've gone for it again, this Karnataka.
140 characters.
Put your hands together. These are children who come from areas where probably some of their friends may not even have their first email ID at this point in time. That explains rural India for you. Superb quizzing. 140 in a tweet. Here's the next one. Teams on the buzzer. 3 scientists from this company were specially given a Nobel Prize for giving the world something in 1947 which changed the way electronics and computers would operate.
Transistors?
The invention of the transistor. Jharkhand are looking good. Put your hands together. Very good quizzing. Here's the last one. All teams on the buzzer. It's not going to be an easy final here today, as these teams are really battling with every question that comes their way. Question to all of you. Final one in this round. We've all heard of LAN. We know that it stands for Local Area Network. What is LAN? L-A-W-N.
Local Area Wide Network. Wireless network. Local Area Wireless Network.
Local Area Wireless Network is a LAN in the world of IT.
Yes.
Brilliant. Brilliant young team from Jharkhand are giving teams a run for their money here today. We'll take a look at where the teams stand at this point in time, because the quiz is moving at a pace where everyone would like to know where they stand. It's so important in life to know where you are before you decide where you want to get to. Here's where we stand. The rural IT quotient. Blazing into a lead now is Ranchi on 50 points. Karnataka are behind them on 40. Indore are on 30. So the equations are slowly beginning to change here. But at this point in time, Jharkhand are leading this quiz with 50. Karnataka are trailing them with 40. As we move to the next frontier of this game here today, I just get a feeling it's going to be these few rounds that's going to make a big difference here. It is time for us at the National Rural IT Quiz Final to pick action on lateral bites. Here we go. Well, teams, these are typically questions that I would use at quizzes that I do at the IITs and IIMs. But the Rural IT Quiz has reached a level today where lateral thinking is not so difficult for these young kids. You will get multiple clues on your screen. It could include a video or an audio. You press the buzzer and give me the overall answer. You get 15 points. If you get it wrong, you get a -5. Okay? Plus 15, -5. 4 questions common to the 6 teams on stage. The pressure will be huge. Here's the first one. Take a look, listen to it. Here we go. They've gone for it in quick time. Central Point School from Nagpur. Into your mics, the overall connection.
Panasonic.
Explain.
Ranbir Kapoor comes in the ad of Panasonic, and this is the CEO of, or founder of Panasonic.
You've got 2 other clues.
I just took the first clue and answered, and I heard the song.
And you're pretty sure Ranbir Kapoor is in the song. He is the endorser of Panasonic.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, lateral thinking. Put your hands together. Superb quizzing here. Crucial moment. Taking that risk. I seriously wonder how many GB of RAM is planted into those minds of these 6 teams. Super speed processing. Here's the next one. Now.
Dubai.
Nagpur are going again. Centerpoint School.
It's YouTube. It's Salar Kamangar, the CEO of current YouTube.
He's who?
Salar Kamangar.
Salar Kamangar, the CEO of YouTube. Okay?
And that's the headquarters.
And
That's the headquarters of YouTube.
And the above, I don't know.
The above two you don't know.
PayPal, I know the 3 people who founded it. YouTube, the 3 founders of YouTube were earlier worked at PayPal.
Ladies and gentlemen, an outstanding team. Put your hands together. Amazing quizzing. Amazing. I mean, he spoke of Mr. Salar Kamankar as if he lives in his same colony, you know. Salar Kamankar, CEO YouTube, who doesn't know it? Fantastic quizzing. Nagpur are coming back in this quiz. It's a big fight. Karnataka are doing well. Nagpur are making a comeback. Jharkhand have done well. They're playing this a little carefully. I just get a feeling this quiz is going to be very, very nervous. Here's the next one. Now. Go ahead.
That is LG.
Explain.
Optimus is mobile phone by LG. Cookie is also mobile phone by LG. And they sponsored the ICC World Cricket Cup.
Sensational. Put your hands together. I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of us who are looking at the screen saying, why Cookie? Why? I mean, look at the way talent is in India.